Hey you guys, so today's video I will be spray painting and bedazzling my makeup brushes. So right here you can see I have the brushes that I'm going to be spray painting, and I have a lot. I do have this matching set, and then I also have a few other ones that are black. It's about 5 of them, and I already have the tape around them. I actually did it the night before because I knew I was going to spray paint them sometime. I also have this spray paint, this 2-time spray paint. It is pink. I got this off Amazon for I think about $5 or $6. And as you can see, I have all these pieces of papers taped together. I actually made this because we don't have any newspaper, so this is the only thing that I can really use. It's already been used because I spray painted something the day before. But basically I just took a bunch of pieces of paper and I taped them together to make like a little protective sheet from the cement so I wouldn't get a lot of spray paint on it. But as you can see, I'm just going crazy with this spray paint, and I'm just spray painting all the brushes and making sure I'm getting every single spot. So as you can see, here are the black ones that I spray painted gold. I didn't put those on camera because I had just used the gold paint. I wanted you guys to see me use the pink paint. So now I'm using this tray to put some of them on there, and I realized some of them were not dry. So I just put the ones on there that were dry, and then I re-spray painted the ones that I touched that weren't dry, and I just left them outside for about an hour, and I came back to actually the gold ones dried a little bit faster than the pink ones. Not sure why. Okay y'all, so the brushes are all finished, and just to get that spray paint off my fingers, I just used acetone polish remover, and it worked wonders because I forgot to put on my glove. But basically what I'm doing now, I'm just taking all the tape off of all of them because I'm going to go ahead and make them a little bit prettier. So as you can see, this is the last one with the tape on them. So all of these are the pink ones. I have a lot of them. And what I'm going to do next to these is I'm basically going to take this pink roll of rhinestone paper or whatever, I don't know what it is, sequins type of thing. My mom bought this. I don't know where to get it. I guess you can get it from like maybe the Michael's store, or you can get it from Dollar Tree or something, not really sure. You just have to search around for it, or you could probably order it off Amazon. But she already has some of this, so I'm just using it because I want to, you know, make some stuff in my room look pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut out a few pieces that will make like fit around the parts of the brushes that I want to put it on, and I'm going to use my hot glue gun to secure everything. So I did the gold brushes a little bit for you guys, but now I'm going to move on to the pink ones, and I'm basically just going to put the rhinestone stuff all the way at the bottom, covering the pink spray paint, for the simple fact that I felt like, I don't know, it just looked weird to me. Like the pink was cute, but at the same time it wasn't. I feel like it was just missing something, and I didn't want to cover up the gold because the gold is actually one of the colors that I'm having, so that's why I'm just covering up the pink part, because you can still kind of see the pink part through the rhinestone sequins. This was actually a really long process. It took me about almost an hour or so to do these because I had so many brushes and so many pieces to cut out and, you know, put on there precisely and make sure it was perfect. So it was a long process, but it was definitely worth it in the end. Okay guys, so this is the finishing product. These are the gold bottoms, and I just put the pink rhinestones at the top where the silver part was because the silver was looking tacky, and I think they turned out pretty good. And then you have the pink ones, which I love. They are definitely my favorite. I did get spray paint on a few of them, but it's okay because I can easily just wash them and try to remove some of the paint. But I think they look really, really pretty. You guys let me know down below what you think, and yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope you guys will try this DIY if you want to change your brushes instead of buying new ones, because this is definitely a way to save money. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.